Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make the lock screen clock bigger. Simply long press, customize, select the clock. Okay, and tap on to select, and as you can see, showing you to this option, usually increase or decrease clock size. But if you don't increase or decrease clock size, select. When you select the another font, like I'm select to another font, and not gate, make bigger option. Okay, if you want to make your clock is bigger, must be select this font. When you select this font, then you get changing option. Okay, press on done. That's it.